Hi, it's Abbey from Brakecrafters. If you are one of our longtime customers, you all know about our caliper steel kits. But for the ones who are new to Brakecrafters, let me show you how we build our kits and what sets them apart from the kits out there. Every kit is specially made with attention to detail. First, we include our kit cards that provide helpful information and includes a QR code that is linked to our helpful resources page, where you can find tips and installation videos. Our kits are shipped in a plastic clamshell, so everything arrives intact. We also include a plastic insert tray that keeps everything in place, and is also an extra set of hands keeping all of the parts in place while you work. We don't stop there. We then add the seals to our kits. The seals included are selected for your motorcycle's specifications. Depending on your motorcycle, the kit will include proper dust seals and possibly pressure seals to help keep your brakes performing at their best. In addition, some motorcycles require boots or boot seals. We have selected exactly what you need for your rebuild project. We will add some extra components that you may need for the project. Each kit includes bleed nipple screws and caps, as well as copper crush washers. Another little extra that we are proud of is our red rubber grease. This grease helps make the job a little easier by providing lubrication for assembly, but it also protects from dry burn and prolongs the life of your seals by preventing swelling and hardening. The kit that I am showing today also includes one of our stainless steel pistons. These are made of solid stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about erosion of the plating, providing lasting protection from dirt and other outside elements. These pistons can withstand the stress of elevated temperatures experienced during certain riding conditions. We also like to include our own special sticker, because who doesn't love stickers? Once everything is neatly packed into the kit, it is complete and ready to be sent out to you. Including all of these little details helps to get you back on the road quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding any of our kits, please feel free to reach out to us.